Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Eva coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, March 13th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 28 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 33 and a low of 21, with snow. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Justin, Dina. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, last night the Blackhawks won against the Minnesota Wild with a score of 4-2. And the Bulls lost to the Boston Celtics with a score of 100-80. Tonight they will play the Charlotte Hornets at 6 o'clock. Clubs meeting today are Room 106 Craft Club in Room 106 at 11 o'clock. Fuse Club in Room 208 at 3 o'clock. Second Grade Dance Club in Room 107 at 3 o'clock. Friendship Garden Club in Room 112 at 3 o'clock. Rocket Club in Room 204 at 3 o'clock. 4th and 5th Grade Gems Club in Room 115 at 3 o'clock. And tomorrow morning, 3rd Grade Spring Green Thumb Club in Room 201 at 8 o'clock. Now another production studio segment of Hoover Clubs, featuring Hoover Harmonics.
Hoover Harmonics is choir for 5th and 6th grade here at Hoover.
I like Hoover Harmonics because I like to sing with a huge group of kids and it's really fun.
So far in Hoover Harmonics, we've been to a Wolves game and we sang the fight song.
So far we have learned fight song, we've learned Christmas carols, and learned What a Wonderful World. And right now we're learning how to do a round, and it's really fun to sing all kinds of different songs.
Monday's motto is focus on your goal. Don't look in any other direction but ahead. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the first graders in Room 108. Have a magnetic Monday.